In this video today, we're going to talk about how do you create and schedule 2 weeks worth of social media content with AI in literally 60 seconds. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, look at this. All of these infographics, and look at the quality. I did not design these. I did not create these. This tool that I'm going to show you, it did everything. It came up with the ideas. It did the designing, and then it did the scheduling and publishing, like everything. It's like an AI employee for my business. All right, the tool that I want to show you is called Marblism. I'll have the link below so you can access this. It is my affiliate link, but this tool is a must if you have an online business. Actually, if you have any sort of business, because what this does is it gives you 6 different types of AI employees. There's one for blog writing, there's one for your general assistant, executive assistant, lead generation, and we're going to talk about Sony, which is your community manager or social media manager. So again, the tool is called Marblism. The link is below. And let me show you, I want to show you a couple of things. How you can automate, you can use Sony as your AI social media manager, assistant, VA, whatever you want to call it. But it will do everything for you. Design, come up with the ideas, schedule, post, everything, the whole 9 yards. All right, the first thing when you log in, when you create an account, you come here and you want to add a workspace. And basically adding a workspace means you're adding your business. So if you have an agency like me, maybe you have multiple clients, so you'll have to do this multiple times. Otherwise, just add your business website and some information, and that's it. It's pretty simple. And after you do that, it's gonna look, let me go back. It's gonna look something like this. So I have all of these are different businesses. They treat them as like workspaces. So here's a different one. We're gonna switch to Sunrise because this is the one I was showing you earlier. So now, how do you use this? Again, right here, this is your executive assistant VA, your social media manager, your blog writer, your sales associate, your legal assistant, all of your AI employees, they're right here on your fingertips. The cool thing about Marblism, actually, it's on, there's a mobile app too. So you can do everything that I'm going to show you on mobile app. So let me show you some of the cool stuff that I've done. You can just go in the chat and you can just start talking to Sony. You can ask it to give you ideas. So based on your business, it will give you some ideas. You can do something that I like doing, and I'll show you right here. Sometimes I find examples, find like viral content pieces, and then I want to model after those, right? And it's really good in those cases too. So for example, right here, look, I found these 3 infographics. I believe I found them on Pinterest, but very relevant to my business. And I asked Sony to create 20 of these for me. And actually, let's do it, because why not? I'm gonna go scroll down, and let's say I want to create brand new content for like next 2 weeks. So I'll go ahead and attach the examples. I'm gonna go find those 3 examples. Here is 1, 2, and 3. And by the way, like I said, you don't have to start with the examples, but I like modeling viral content, so that's what I do. And then here's my prompt. I said, analyze the attached infographics and give me 20 more in the same style. The audience is older adults, so I'm telling Sony about my audience. Make sure the topics are relevant. Make sure the Facebook image is styled, because I want the similar style. And the post text, and each post text should be between 50 to 100 words. And then make one for me. We will review it, and then you're gonna make 20 or 19 more. This is how you would treat your AI, or not AI, like a human social media assistant, right? You will give them a task, and maybe give them a trial task or test them for a little bit, and then you will give them more. Once they get a hold of your business, they get hold of your processes and everything, you give them more work. So now let's give it a few seconds. All right, here you go. That was pretty quick, less than 60 seconds. So here is my image. Spellings are good. Look at the quality. Oh my God, we used to spend hours making these in Canva. And then we had some designers and VAs. They used to do the really good job, but again, that was human. We were paying, we had to check their work and everything. But here, AI, this tool is doing everything. So I like everything. Let me check the, yes, everything looks great. The image looks great. So I want to say, let's go ahead and make other 19, right? So it did one for me. I liked it, and now I want the other 19 then, because in my initial ask, I asked it to do 20 for me. So let's give it a few more seconds to go through these 19. And boom, look at these, all 19 is done. And look at the quality of these. Wow, unbelievable. I can go through all of these. These are perfect. The images, the post text, everything looks really, really good. By the way, if you want to make any changes, you can easily just write the message and make changes. If you want to change colors, fonts, anything like that, you can do that. And by the way, one other thing I should show you. On the top, so I'm on the chat window. If you go to the post, this is where it's going to show you all the scheduled social media posts. Guidelines, this is where you can have your guidelines, your writing style. If you have specific things for your brand, you can do that here. Also, under settings, so I have, when I created the workspace, I added Facebook, but you can add other marketing social media channels too. You can set your tone, add your logo, post engine, improve post generation. I would turn that on. So there are settings that you can play with. Now let's go back. So it gave us one post, we reviewed it, and now it made it us all 20. Now I want to schedule this. So I'm going to just say schedule these daily at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. CST, starting from Monday. Tomorrow is Monday, May 4th. And that's it. So it's gonna, I'm not doing anything. It's gonna schedule everything and it will appear on our calendar. So right now everything was done till May 3rd, which is today. And then if I go back here, right now it's empty. But once it's done, it's working on it. Once it's done, look at this. Looks like it is done. So now if I go back, here you go. Oh, too fast with the gestures on my Mac. So here's May 4th, 2, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 2, all the way up to, so I think I had 20. So it has scheduled all of these for me. Wow. Can you imagine how much time you're gonna save? If you have multiple team for your social media or for your marketing, you just need Sony, this one AI employee. And Marblism actually has 6 more that you can, for blogs, that's amazing. Sales, lead gen, legal assistant, your executive assistant can process your emails, send emails and everything. This tool kind of replaces your whole marketing / admin / sales team. It's unbelievable. Again, the link will be below in the description, so make sure you check it out. Any questions? I'm planning on doing more AI tutorials, hacks, tips like this. So let me know if you want to see more or if you have anything specific in mind. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.